How to fix Hamster Kombat network error. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. The network error and request error unable to get account information in Hamster Kombat often stem from a variety of issues mostly related to server-side or connectivity problems. Hamster Kombat servers might be overwhelmed due to a large number of simultaneous users, especially after the launch of new features like off-chain deposit. The game server should be facing database issues such as downtime or corrupted data, leading to failed attempts to retrieve account information. So, all you have to do is restart the game or device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Also, switch your network connections. If you are using Wi Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to rule out connectivity issues. If the issue persists, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can ensure you have the latest bug-free version as well. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it is best to wait for an official fix from the developers, especially if it is server related. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.